Hey everyone, today let's see why a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab and not a square plus b square. We'll see practically why it is so. Let's consider a square. Let's consider the side of the square as a plus b. In this, let's divide this portion into a and this as b. So this forms a square of side A and this forms a square of side B. So the area of this square will be A square and the area of this square is B square. And this portion is a rectangle with length B and breadth A. So the area of this portion is A into B. Same with this rectangle. The area is A into B. So the total area of this square, which is A plus B whole square, will be A square plus B square plus AB plus AB. This is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Happy learning!